This is going to be our A7 rig for run and gun video shoots. So all of our stuff is going to be shot with this camera, and pretty exciting. So let's get to building. If you're shooting content and you want to invest $7,000 into this setup, I highly recommend it. Steal my setup if you like it. Like, copy this exactly. It's gonna work great. The more I get into cameras, the more I get into cameras. So today we got some pretty exciting stuff for our Sony A7 IV. Let's look at the small one first. Always a good time when you get a package from B&H. Small rig, plate, dummy battery kit. This is going to replace this battery right here. So instead of the battery being in the camera, and I'll preface this by saying the reason we're getting this stuff, A, to make the camera look cooler, because why not? Also, because our A7 overheats. So I can usually get about 7 to 9 minutes of constant shooting, and then this puppy gets too hot and shuts down. So instead of having the battery pack in the camera body like it is, we're going to have a dummy battery to a larger battery pack to power the whole rig. And this is our small rig Rhino case. Later in the video, we're going to assemble this and put it on the camera and essentially build the whole rig right here. I'm just gonna dump it sideways here, and we can start pulling stuff out of Santa's toy bag. First thing, small rig, foldable battery mount. V-mount for the battery, super important. Oh yeah. The Ninja TX Go. This is our screen. It's a 5.2-inch screen. It's gonna go on top of the camera. It's got full HDMI and USB-C inputs, and it's a recording screen. So everything gets recorded directly onto the screen, which takes a huge workload off of the camera. So instead of the camera recording to its internal SD cards, I got 2 terabytes right here, it's gonna record to I think it's a class or a Series B card that's in this screen. Super awesome. Plus it has built-in LUTs. It has transmission capabilities, so you can have remote viewing from the screen. It's very cool. So put that right there. Then we've got small rig rail system. Need that for the whole thing. Bunch of small stuff. Screen mount. A couple USB cables, a tool, a little 3.5 mil. This is a Type B. It's our Type B SD card for the screen. It's pretty beefy. This is the SanDisk Extreme Pro 512 gigabyte. Then we've got another small rig plate, another cable, USB Type C, and then a V-mount lock for the battery as well. All right, what else we got in here? Looks like we've got another little tool. I went ahead and picked up a little blower for our lenses and sensor. 2 rails, additional rails. And then this is a universal power kit. So I believe this is going to be, well, I think this is for the screen, honestly. It's like a combo kit. So we'll look at that in a minute. Check that out. Oh man. You got a heat sink right here. All your inputs. Got more outputs and inputs on the back. This is perfect. And that's it. We got our to-go paperwork. So now we take all this stuff and we build a cool camera, a good video camera.